Looking to turn your home into a space that feels calmer, cozier, and effortlessly elevated? These luxury Amazon home upgrades are all about comfort, style, and those small details that make a big difference. From relaxing essentials to smart touches that upgrade your daily routine, everything here is designed to make home feel better. All products are linked in the description below. Wake up to sunlight without ever leaving your bed. This automatic curtain opener clips right onto your existing curtain rod. No tools or drilling needed. You control it with your phone, a remote, or even your voice, so opening and closing curtains feels effortless. The motor is strong enough for heavy curtains, but runs quietly, meaning it won't disturb your sleep. It also works with smart home systems, letting you set schedules so your curtains move exactly when you want. Comfort shouldn't stop at what you wear. It should shape the space around you. A hoodie lounge den turns an ordinary room into a cozy retreat inspired by your favorite hoodie. Soft textures, warm lighting, and relaxed seating make the space feel instantly calming. It's designed for unwinding, whether you're watching, reading, gaming, or doing nothing at all. Think of it as a room that wraps around you and helps you slow down the moment you step inside. Messy counters can ruin even the best beauty routine. This large makeup organizer keeps everything visible, protected, and right where you need it. Clear panels let you spot skincare, perfumes, and cosmetics instantly without digging. The cover design helps block dust and moisture, so your products stay clean and fresh. It sits neatly on your vanity and turns daily getting ready into a calm, organized experience. Relaxation just got a Playful upgrade. Animal recliners with built-in mini fridges turn lounging into a full comfort experience. You sink into a plush, animal-shaped chair while keeping cold drinks and snacks right by your side. The fun design adds personality, but the real win is never needing to get up once you're settled. It's comfort, convenience, and a little whimsy, all wrapped into one cozy seat. One chair, endless ways to get comfortable. This adjustable swivel accent chair lets you recline, rotate, and relax exactly how you like. You can switch between multiple lounging positions for reading, gaming, or kicking back after a long day. The plush upholstery feels soft and supportive, so you stay comfortable even during long sits. A built-in phone holder keeps your screen right where you need it, turning this chair into your personal comfort zone. Your entertainment no longer has to stay at home. This portable entertainment system looks like a sleek suitcase, but opens into a full smart screen with powerful sound. You can stream shows, play games, or share videos anywhere, from trips to parties. Built-in speakers deliver immersive audio, and the battery keeps everything running without needing an outlet. Just open it up, set it down, and turn any space into an instant entertainment hub. Mornings get easier when great coffee is just one button away. This single-serve coffee maker lets you brew pods, ground coffee, or even tea without any fuss. It heats quickly and delivers a fresh cup in minutes, perfect when you're short on time. The compact design fits neatly on desks, counters, or small spaces without clutter. Quiet, simple, and efficient, it's made for everyday coffee moments that don't slow you down. Elevate your kitchen game with this electric salt and pepper grinder set. With a simple touch, you get freshly ground spices exactly how you like, fine, coarse, or anywhere in between. The built-in LED light makes seasoning precise and mess-free, while the large capacity chambers mean fewer refills. Recharge both grinders quickly via USB-C and enjoy months of effortless use. Stylish, durable, and modern, these grinders make cooking or just adding flavor a true pleasure. Sweeten your kitchen routine with this elegant honey dispenser. The stylish honeycomb-shaped glass adds a touch of charm while keeping your counter neat. Its no-drip design delivers the perfect amount of honey or syrup without sticky messes, and the airtight stopper keeps contents fresh. Compact yet versatile, it's ideal for everything from tea to pancakes. Functional, beautiful, and gift-ready, this dispenser makes every breakfast a little sweeter. Bring your music and smart home together with the Echo Dot Max. With room-filling sound and nearly 3 times the bass of previous Echo Dots, it turns any living room or medium-sized space into a personal soundstage. The built-in smart home hub lets you control lights, locks, and more with ease, while Alexa plus Early Access delivers a smarter, more conversational assistant. Stylish, powerful, and privacy-conscious, it's a must-have for any modern home. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this mini travel steamer iron. It works 2 ways, as a regular iron or as a powerful steamer, so you can choose the perfect method for any fabric. It heats up in just 5 seconds, getting shirts smooth in minutes, much faster than a traditional iron. Safe on everything from silk to cotton, it keeps your clothes looking sharp without damage. Compact and lightweight, it folds up for easy travel, slipping neatly into your luggage or backpack. Keep your pantry organized and your rice perfectly fresh with this glass rice dispenser. The sturdy bamboo stand holds the container securely, while the airtight lid locks out moisture and impurities. A built-in lever makes dispensing rice or grains effortless, and the included measuring cup keeps portions just right. The transparent glass lets you see exactly what's inside at a glance. Sleek, durable, and simple to use. It's perfect for rice, beans, cereal, and more. Keep your bathroom clean and stylish with this smart toothbrush holder. It uses UV light to kill 99.99% of germs, running automatic cycles every few hours, so your toothbrushes stay hygienic all day. The wall-mounted design saves counter space and holds multiple toothbrushes, a razor, and even toothpaste. A subtle light shows charging and sanitizing status, making it easy to use. Sleek, functional, and family-friendly, it keeps your daily routine safe and organized. Bring the ice cream shop to your kitchen with this soft serve machine. It whips up ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and even frozen drinks in just 20 minutes. No ice or salt needed. 3 mix-in containers let you add sprinkles, chocolate chips, or warm fudge as you serve for a custom treat every time. The see-through lid and easy levers make dispensing fun and mess-free. Perfect for families, parties, or just treating yourself. It turns dessert into an experience. Tired of digging through messy spice cabinets? This pull-out spice rack keeps everything neat and within reach. Each tier holds up to 10 jars, and the smooth sliding rails let you grab what you need effortlessly. Made with rust-proof metal and BPA-free plastic, it's built to last and keep spices secure with raised guardrails. Easy to install and perfect for tight cabinets, it turns clutter into organized kitchen bliss. Never worry about your pet missing a meal with this smart automatic feeder. It connects to Wi-Fi so you can schedule up to 10 meals a day right from your phone, no matter where you are. Record a custom voice message to call your furry friend to eat, making them feel loved even when you're away. The airtight design and stainless steel bowl keep food fresh and hygienic, while sensors prevent jams and overfeeding. Sleek, safe, and convenient. It's perfect for busy pet parents. Work, eat, or create comfortably from anywhere with this adjustable laptop bed desk. Its soft leather surface is anti-slip, waterproof, and easy to clean, keeping your devices safe. Tilt the desktop and adjust the legs to find the perfect angle and height for your posture. A built-in drawer stores pens, cables, or glasses, while the foldable legs make it easy to tuck away or carry. Large, sturdy, and versatile, It's perfect for laptops, writing, meals, or even painting in bed or on the couch. Step out of the shower onto this super absorbent stone bath mat and say goodbye to soggy floors. Made from natural diatomaceous earth, it soaks up water instantly and dries in no time, keeping your bathroom fresh and hygienic. The textured surface and anti-slip backing keep it securely in place for safe use. Cleaning is effortless, just rinse or wipe, and tough stains disappear with a little sanding. Sleek, durable, and minimalist, it adds a modern touch while keeping your feet dry everywhere you need. Tame shoe chaos with this 12-tier over-the-door organizer. It holds up to 36 pairs, keeping sneakers, heels, and boots neatly stored and off the floor. The sturdy metal frame and breathable mesh protect your shoes while preventing odors and dust. Hang it on any standard door or mount it on a wall. Setup is quick and tool-friendly. Perfect for small spaces, it also doubles as storage for accessories, toiletries, or snacks, keeping your home tidy and organized. Elevate your kitchen countertop with this elegant 3-tier fruit basket. The solid metal frame and weighted marble base keep it stable while holding fruit, vegetables, snacks, and even bananas on the built-in hanger. Each marble tier has a unique pattern, adding a touch of luxury to your space. It keeps your produce fresh and off the counter, reducing mess and spoilage. Easy to assemble and stylish, it's a practical centerpiece for any kitchen. Relax in style with this elegant curved sectional sofa. Its 360-degree swivel seat lets you entertain, lounge, or simply adjust your view with ease. Soft fabric cushions and thick padding provide ultimate comfort, while the curved design adds a sophisticated touch to any room. Sturdy wood frame, elastic springs, and durable legs ensure long-lasting support without scratching your floor. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or apartments, it combines comfort, style, and versatility in one. Breathe easier and add a touch of style with this cool mist humidifier. Its anti-gravity design makes water appear to float while delivering consistent moisture to your room. The LED display shows the real-time clock and lets you control mist settings for perfect comfort. Whisper quiet operation makes it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices. Sleek and modern, it doubles as a functional humidifier and eye-catching decor piece. Say goodbye to soggy shoes and cold feet with this smart boot dryer. Its telescopic bendable dry ports reach deep inside boots, gloves, and sneakers, while the 180-degree foldable rack handles all sizes. Gentle forced air dries footwear quickly and silently, and the intelligent timer saves energy while keeping everything safe. Perfect for work boots, athletic shoes, or outdoor gear, dry, warm, and ready whenever you are. Imagine sinking into your sofa while watching colorful fish glide beneath your seat. The Aquarium. Sofa isn't just furniture, it's a living masterpiece, blending comfort with the calm beauty of marine life. With LED lighting, crystal clear acrylic panels, and whisper quiet filtration, it turns any living room into a peaceful ocean escape. Dive into style, serenity, and innovation all in one stunning centerpiece. Links are in the description. Upgrade your bedroom with a nightstand that's more than just a table. This smart nightstand features a fingerprint lock drawer to keep your personal items secure, plus wireless charging and USB ports for all your devices. The LED backlight sets the perfect mood, while the built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you play music right from your phone. Stylish, functional, and fully assembled, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.